Aha m bụ Uchenna Ujiga.
So we're here today with
Igbo Next Generation.
Yes. And what is like the main goal of this?
So the main goal is to kind of collab with the Nigerian group, both men and women, and pretty much take from what our dads back in the day and our moms back in the day have with their meetings, but kind of put our own version of meetings to it. Like we're the next generation, we're doing things differently, but at the same time we're going to incorporate the Igbo culture and continue it. So we do that by having monthly meetings. Those meetings are usually the first Monday of the month, and we're usually talking about what we can, present for the culture. So one of us from the group will pick something to present to them, and that would consist of, let's say, talking about like what we talked about today, Igbo age. That consists of talking about the Igbo culture, where it came from, why we dress, why we have traditional wear, different types of traditional wear. But like each month we're presenting something new so that not only we are keeping the culture of Igbo life, but we're also projecting it to the people who might not know much about Igbo, so they learn something new every month. Do you want to talk about the events that we do, such as the charity events and the fun events?
So far for charity events, we have gone to Feed My Starving Children. That was actually one of the first ones we've done. We're going to consider today as a little volunteering / charity event. There's going to be plenty more to come. We're still a very young group, lots of very young people. And as my partner, my brother Obi has said, we're very excited for the future that is to come, to continue to grow. Happy to have come here to Igbo School today. We are the Igbo next generation, but they are the Igbo next generation. And by the grace of God, we'll continue to thrive, continue to flourish, and the future will be good.
So you have it. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys.
I don't have a go-to favorite food, but any soup, anything, I like to eat rice and beans and stew, just our traditional Nigerian food, just about anything.
And what's your favorite Nigerian food?
Jollof rice. So let me chip in here. I learned you're the former YLMP, right?
Yes.
And then you came back with even with your kids, just trying to integrate your kids in there.
Yes.
If I may ask you, what's your advice for the new generation of the kids now, and what they should be proud of?
Yes, my advice for them is to be proud of their roots, their heritage, everything that Igbo stands for. We're a very gracious community. Wherever you go to, you'll see them all around the world. And our Igbo people, we have a sense of pride in who we are. We have a sense of wanting to help out others who are Igbo and wanting to grow our community and our culture. So you can always feel proud of that. Whenever you see another Igbo person, know that they're here to help you. And they're there also to form a unity with you no matter what you need along the way.
All right, thank you so much. And what's your name again, please?
My name is Ekene Durichukwu.
Ekene Durichukwu. So do you prefer calling you Ekene or your Ekene? So it means you're proud of who you are. I believe that's your wife and your family.
Yes, my family.
And we were so pleased to have you today.
Yes, thank you.
And thank you, my interviewers.
You're welcome.
You guys did a great job. Thank you.
Nice to meet you too.
We're so excited that you have come back after all these years. When did you first start LMFE?
I first started, I don't quite remember, but I think it's back in 2010 through 2012, around that time. It was a great experience. I think I was about somewhere between 10 to my teenage years. So,
What's your favorite memory of LMFE?
my favorite memory was drumming, getting around with the community throughout the years, learning the language, learning more than I knew at least, cooking, eating, all of that stuff. It was just a great experience all around.
And how does it feel to have your kids also come back and also be unified?
It feels great. It shows that the culture is moving forward and we still have something around for us to come back to, even after we've moved far away, maybe forgotten about it. But we know that we always have something here for us.
Nne, anụ na abịa nkịta bụ ka isi maka ya na-ajụ ya ajụjụ biko ịma onye dị ife a biko nke nwefe ị nwere ị ga-agwa ya maka ya
nwokorobịa ifo ebe a mgbe ọ pere mpe mgbe anyị bidochi igbo klaasị ọfụ mgbechala ọ na-abịa na klaasị ọ na-abịa igbo klaasị ụmụ abụọ na-akụziri gị igbo ahụ
wow
befo wee gụchaa wee jee mahadum wee too wee nwee ọrụ nwa ezinụlọ nke ya
o tekwa na wee kọtakwa nwa ya
yeah
mba we're very proud of him
obi na-atọ anyị ụtọ ọ na-eme ọfụma ezigbo nwa afọ igbo
nne nke kwanụ afa nke
nwa bụ
Chinyere Nkwọcha daalụ rinne o daalụ ma ka ime biko gwana anyị afọ gị na ndụmọdụ ị ga-enye ụmụ anyị ndị na-amụ Igbo n'obodo Amerịka ee afọ gị na ife iji gba ebe na ndụmọdụ mee ịchafụ Professor Ebele Ebele Eko ya so kedu ndụmọdụ ị ga-enye ka anyị bido na nke a ndụmọdụ ị ga-enye ụmụazị anyị
ndụmọdụ m ga-enye ụmụ anyị ndị Igbo ka ha malụ ha kwesịrị inwe ife a na-akpọzi pride
yes
ebe ha si bịa n'afọ ha ụmụaka ekwesịrị inwe egwu ọbụla because Chineke emego ha ebere nne na nna ha zụọ ha n'ụlọ akwụkwọ they themselves must carry themselves, carry themselves not with pride, with humility, but knowing for sure, that they are very important, and that there is something they must add to their generation. They have something big to add, and so I get video now, video and hold themselves in a position, knowing that much is expected from them, and they too add much, build up their generation, so that by the time they themselves will have children, they know they must raise up these children to be among the best. Whatever they do, touch their hands to do, their eyes should be let it be the best.
When they're in the then I'm going to go on and I'll give when you get pussy any net time. Like I don't be enough. Go to go down in there.
Yes,
Dalo, never okay. Nature. Because when I'm able na family is very bad. Yana ndụmọdụ ị na-enye m because I'm going to need maka ụmụazị na-eme Igbo class wee bịa. Gwa anyị more about onwe gị n'ife mere iji wee bịa.
Okay. Afọ m bụ Mrs. Okomokoye. Abụ m Miss Ami Okonkwo.
Okay.
And I just whatever aka m bịa. Abịa m na ụbọchị na-ekere aka. Ana obi dị m aṅụrị na m bịa. Anyị na-eme ụdị ha n'obodo dị otu a. Because ụmụazị anyị niile ka ha malụ fa kwesịrị ịma ebe fa si. Ha kwesịrị ịma omenala. Ha kwesịrị ịma, the values, the ethics of our culture. What is very important. Your identity goes to ebe ọbụla ị nọ, obodo ọbụla ị nọ. Akpọ afa gị, mali afa gị mere, mali ebe isi. Ịmalụ ebe your parents isi, mali ife a na-eme. Na-asụkwu nwa asụsụ Igbo a. What is very important. Because most of the time, I know they lose that core thing, Oyibo yes, all the mama, but then let's not miss Nkai Bunkai, Nkefa Bunkefa, From what that Chonkai, I want that to I would want Kai would think I'm an Kai basically, so that Onaga. I'll forgive one.
Yeah, that's on my part.
Good up.
Now,
before we get into the presentation, I'd like to introduce myself as well. I'm Chike, and what we'll be presenting on is Igbo names, something that many of us share in common here, and we'd like to just like dive a little bit deeper into that as well. So one quote that I really like that kind of summarizes like the importance of our names is Igbo names are not mere tags to distinguish one thing or person from another. Are expressions of the nature of which they stand for. And with that, you have to realize Igbo names, they have a deeper meaning than just any other American name. With your name, you carry a sort of pride. You carry a story that comes with that. You should always carry that thing with you as well. You should hold your head up high when you have that Igbo name. And you should never be ashamed if someone can mispronounce it. Like, correct them every single time. You should never be ashamed of anything that you come from, and you should be prideful that you have that, and that you can tie into to your parents and to your heritage back home. But I just want to break this down. Like, raise your hand if you have an Igbo name.
I do.
Yeah. Okay. Who can actually tell me what their Igbo name means? Anyone? Okay.
I bet all of them come. Ken.
Afambo Chinonso. And my name Chinonso actually means God is near me.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Okay. There's something for you.
Oh, you didn't tell us.
You like this?
No, I'm raising my hand right here. I want some cookies.
Who else? Okay, right here.
Well done.
You
know, so well done.
My name means love God.
Good job.
Okay. Good over here.
My name is Kim Yoshiku and it means ask from God that is me.
Ask from God that you. Okay. And we'll do one more. I see you raising your hand already. Come on.
I'm from the Sochi, and what that means is keep following God.
Okay, we'll get back to that.
Today you must know the meaning of your name. No, I'm not asking.
Okay, so
Listen.
moving on. Has anyone heard of? And apologies for my pronunciation. Iguaha. I'll say it again. Has anyone ever heard of Iguaha? Iguaha.
Divine, how are you doing?
No one knows about it?
What did you say?
Iguaha. Yeah, Iguaha.
Iguaha.
Yeah.
Iguaha.
Iguaha.
Iguaha. Ay, back.
Yeah. Does anyone want to take a guess?
Like Imo.
Name me ceremony.
Yeah, Imo Keji, this is some Igbo now.
Tell me about it. What's an Imo Central Igbo?
It's a traditional ceremony that
Imo is the written one, yeah.
8 days after
Imo is the written one. Used to be an on the chat. Used to be on the chat.
To pay respect to God.
Like it tells the aha.
They're to one God, but the spread of Christianity. So it's.
And put in your pocket.
Yes.
Like, please, don't love me right now.
Yes.
Switch off your phones and put it in your pocket. And this is so much culture relying here. Wikipedia doesn't have this information, we're getting right here. So organic information.
Does anybody know what they're talking about right now?
What is it?
Hey God, I can't hear her. I can't hear her. There's one thing that he said that I want to hear. Yes. Huh? Say it with your chest. One thing. Okay, anyway, I'll say it because he said also the burial of the umbilical cord, right? Is that something you guys do in Nigeria? In 2007. I don't know. I say that because in 2007, me and my family, we went to Nigeria. That was my second time there. I went there when I was 18 months old, and then in 2007 when I was in 7th grade. As we were driving back to my dad's village, we got stopped by some policemen on the road. They wanted to search all of our bags, and we were right outside my dad's village. And if you would have saw how crazy my dad went, that young man, they had these big guns. All I'm thinking is, Dad, stop, they're gonna shoot you. He said, I'm a son of the soil. I'm the son of the soil. And now it makes more sense to me because I assume that's what they did for him. They buried his umbilical cord in his home village. And for him to have spent like 35 years over it, like all the money he's
not a full-blooded Igbo. I was born in Sokoto, which is Hausa land. I went to school in Federal Oyo, which is Oyo town. So I'm not
It's a Yoruba.
100%, I'm Nigerian. So I do know with naming ceremony, Yorubas have a consistent tradition. Igbos, I don't know. Maybe mommy will help us. I don't know if you also have that tradition of like you have to wait till 7 days and some things have to happen. Mommy, can you help us with that? Is it the same tradition with the Igbos or is that strictly for Yorubas?
No, it's also for Igbo, Igwaha, that's to name the child. For the Yorubas, who's so much more into it. It's just the few people from the father's people will come and then they will name the child. Mm-hmm.
Does it happen at 7 days or?
Yes. No. It's after 8. It's on the 8th day.
8th day. Okay.
Yes, on the 8th day.
email.
So when I do it, you guys play it. We have the bass. First, teach them how to hold the drum. They don't know the drum. Oh yeah. I mean, let's just fucked up. Right. So first, when you hold the drum, you want the mouth, which is the bottom part, to be open. That's where the sound comes from. So you tilt it into your leg like this, and cross your legs over. You don't want it to fall. If you can't hold it, then the drum might be too big for you. It might be too. You have to lift it up. Listen. Like this. Lift the drum up. Lift the drum up. Everyone got it? Okay. So now that we have the drum set, I'll teach you guys how to the different sounds and how they play. So this is the bass. Slap. the drum, when you hit it, you don't want to be stiff with it like that. You want to let it bounce. Cup your hand like this. You want to cup your hand.
Them say I'm stubborn cause I no go their way. I know ye jichuku, kalilo nye jimadu. Them see the pray make I fall. Manama kulum chuku kapali na makubo. Oli sebele mupu kangu tesi.